The State Director General of Police, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, has said that the State Police is likely to submit its report on the regrouping of the GNLA in the Garo Hills region within a week. Speaking to reporters on Tuesday, Bishnoi said that the State Police is still verifying the input in this regard. Meanwhile, Dr. Bishnoi informed that a meeting was convened by Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home, Preston Tinsong, with the State Police and BSF officials. Bishnoi said that the State Police insisted that the BSF should hand over the 3 personnel involved in the killing of a civilian recently at Maushun village.
Inputs have come, inputs have been received from sources, and we always do verification of such inputs. The routine, so many inputs keep coming, and once, as and when any input received, we generally verify it through the field officer, and the same thing is done in that input. Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, come Home Ministers, he has invited us, he has called the BSF officers also, and this matter was discussed in detail. And we discussed about the court and their BSF Act provisions also. So they assured us to take follow-up actions as per their act.
Director General of Police, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi,